Viewers, this is M. Samahadri, lecturer in statistics. Today I am explaining one of the important concept, problems on Bayes' theorem. Okay, so already you know the Bayes' theorem concept in the previous video, right? Today I am explaining problems on Bayes' theorem. So what is the problem? Very simple problem. The contents of Rn1, 2 and 3, right? The contents of Rn1, 2 and 3 are as follows. Rn1 is there 1 white and 2 black and 3 red balls is there, and Rn2 2 white, 1 black and 1 red ball, and Rn3 4 white, 5 black and 3 red balls is there. So now one RN is chosen at random and two balls are drawn. They happen to be white and red. So two balls are taken to RNs and select one RN, and these are white and red. Okay, find the probability that they come from RNs 1, 2 and 3. This type of problem you have to apply the Bayes' theorem concept. Okay, so what is the proof of this problem? Solution of this problem. So first of all, I discuss let there are three RNs is there. So now I am taking let E1. Okay, first one E1 denotes. Let E1 denotes the selecting RN1. E1 denote the selecting Rn1, right? This is E1, and E2 denotes the selecting Rn2, and E3 denotes the selecting Rn3. Okay, that E1 denotes selecting Rn1, and E2 denotes selecting Rn2, and E3 denotes and selecting Rn3. Now I am taking one of the important point in this problem. Let A denotes the event of drawing two balls which are white and red. Okay, so drawing two balls. A denotes the event of drawing two balls which are white and red. Is an important point. Which are white and red balls. Okay, so I'm taking two balls in the selected Rn. They are to be white and red balls. Okay, white and red balls. Now the problem is that first you have to calculate the Rn selection, right? Rn selection out of three Rns. From selecting one Rn, for example, there is a first Rn selected. P of probability of E1 is equal to, out of three Rns select one Rn, this is 1 by 3, and similarly P of E2 selecting that probability is 1 by 3, and P of E3 is equal to select the Rn 1 by 3 probability is there. So 1 by 3 probability. Now I am checking one of the important concept, the concept P of A given E1, right? Next, what is the A denotes? A denotes the drawing of balls which are white and red, which come from Rn1, right? So Rn1. So what is how many balls in Rn1? It's a very simple problem. Rn1 problem is there. Okay, one white, two black and three red balls there. One white, two black and three red balls. You can select two balls out of total balls is there. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 balls is there. So out of 6 balls, okay, you can select only two balls, that is equal to 6 C2 waves. It's a simple problem. Okay, so now one white and one red. How many white is there? One white. Okay, so 1C1 and red, three red balls there, and 3C1. So 1C1 and 3C1 probability, right? 1C1 into 3C1. The answer is 3 by 15, that is equal to 1 by 5. So first run. Next, selected the event A in Rn2. Okay, Rn2. P of A given E2. 2. So total balls is there in second run. Total balls of the second run is 2 plus 1 plus 1. These are 4 balls is there. If I select 2 balls. So this is 4 C2 ways. It's very simple. Okay, you can select the two balls are one white and one red ball. One white and one red. So how many white balls is there? 2 white balls. You select one white ball. There is 2 C1 ways and one red ball. There one. So 1 C1. So 2C1 into 1C1, right? 2C1 into 1C1. Very simple. 2C1 into 1C1. What is the answer? This is 2 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 11. So 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. It's equal to 1 by 3. So now I'm select third step. P of A given E3. Very simple. A given 3 3. The event in third Rn. Okay. How many balls in third Rn? Third Rn there are 5 plus 8 plus 14, 12 balls. Okay, 12 balls is there. Can select 2 balls. This 12C2 denominator and numerator 1 white and 1 red. So 4 whites is there. Select 1 white. So 4C1 into 1 red. 3 red is there. 3C1, and that means 4C1 into 3C1 by 12C2. It's very simple concept. So 4C1 into 3C1 divided by 12C2. Okay, and simplification, the answer is 2 by 11. Right. So now we have to calculate P of A. P of A. What is the P of A formula in Bayes' theorem? Summation I running from 1 to 3. P of EI into P of A given EI. Right? P of A into P of A given EI. So now the expand this theorem. So apply the summation P of E1 into P of A given E1 plus P of E2 into P of A given E2 plus P of E3 into P of A given E3. It's simple. So now P of E1 is equal to, what is the P of E1? Probability selecting Rn1 is 1 by 3 probability, and P of A given E1. P of A given is 1 by 5. Okay, the concept is 1 by 5, and plus P of E2. P of E2 is equal to 1 by 3 into, and P of A given E2 is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3 into P of A given E3 is equal to 2 by 11. Okay, on simplification, the answer is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 9 plus 2 by 33. Right, finally 33 plus 55 plus 30 by 495 LCM. Okay, the final answer is 118 by 495, the P of A values. Okay, now this is the likelihood probabilities. Now I am finally calculate posterior probability, nothing but inverse probability by using Bayes' theorem. Okay, so by using Bayes' theorem. Okay, so first selected P of E1 given A. This is inverse probability. And you know that P of A given E1. Now in this case, you can take inverse probability, means P of E1 given A. Right? P of E1 given A. What is the formula P of E1 given A? P of A intersection E1 by P of A. This is the formula. Okay, E1 given A. So now P of A given E1. Okay, what is that? P of E1 into P of A given E1 by P of A. Simple. Okay, so what is the P of E1 is 1 by 3 into P of A given E1. This is 1 by 5 divided by P of A value is 118 by 495. Okay, multiplication, the final answer is 33 divided by 118. First answer. Okay, next second one, P of E2 given A. E2 given A, second take the ball in second run. Okay, now so E2 given A is equal to, what is that, P of E2 into P of A given E2 divided by P of A at P of A. What is that? P of E2 is equal to 1 by 3 into P of A given E2 is equal to 1 by 3 and 118 by 495. Right? The answer is 55 by 118. Okay. Next, third one, the last one is P of E3 given A. So P of E3 given A is equal to P of what is that? P of E3 into P of A given E3 divided by P of A. Okay, what is P of E3 value? 1 by 3 into P of A given E3, 2 by 11 by P of A, 118 by 495. Okay, the final answer is 30 by 118 concept. Okay, this is the Bayes theorem problem. You can add, you're adding the three answers. That means the first one is 33 by 118, and check the answers on it. And the second one is 55 by 118, 55 by 118, and third one is what is that? 30 by 118. 30 by 118. Adding the theorems, so 8 and 118 by 118 is equal to 1. So our problem is correct. Okay, this is the checking. So this is the probability in Bayes theorem. Okay, this problem, Bayes theorem problem. Okay, it's one of the important problem in examination part. Okay, so today, tomorrow we will meet. We will meet again now once again in new concept. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet again. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.